In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in Tradovate chart. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart inside Tradovate and you want to select the asset you want to trade. Then from here, up top, you can see there's going to be a bunch of different buttons. And if you want to set a stop loss in your chart, you want to go to the top where it says ATM, and currently it's off. So if for you it says off as well, you can just click on the settings cogwheel over here. And then to set a stop loss, you want to first give your ATM a name so we can create a new one. I'm going to click on here and I'm going to name this one stop loss like this, and I'm going to click on OK. Whenever you do this, you can select the type. You have a take profit and stop loss or stop loss only. So I'm going to click on stop loss only over here. I'm going to set the stop loss. You can set it to whatever you want, either by using these buttons, so arrows up or down, or by typing it in manually like this, okay? Whenever you do this, you can also select your stop loss type. There's going to be a few. There's 7 right now. And then you can just go and click on save. Now, whenever you go and actually change this ATM to whatever you just created, so we're going to do stop loss over here, it's going to automatically apply this preset, and it's going to, whenever you trigger the order, set a stop loss to that specific order, okay? So there we go.
Order
As you can
filled.
see, just like this, you can set a stop loss inside a Tradovate chart. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.